friends, it's me, Miss C. We're here in my kitchen and today I'm going to make soft pretzels. Now, have you had pretzels before? I have them in my snacks sometimes and they sound very crunchy when I eat them. But this time I'm going to make them soft, kind of like bread. To start, I'm going to add some flour. Now, when I go outside, I see flowers on my walk, but that's a different kind of flour. Those are flowers that grow, and this is flour that you cook and bake with. So we need to scoop in 2 times. 1, 2. Then we need to add in some salt. Oops, I spilled a little. Some sugar. And this is an interesting ingredient that I haven't seen that much before. This is called yeast. It doesn't smell like anything right now, but it looks very fine, like powder. Then we have to pour in some, but not all of our water. And use your really strong muscles to mix it together. I'm stirring the dough. Can you see? It's starting to make dough. That kind of looks like Play-Doh. I need some more water, but not the whole thing. And then, once it gets mixed a little bit, I'm gonna take my clean hands and use my hands and just mix it all up. This is fun to try. Look how sticky my hands feel. My hands feel sticky. Blob. Oh. Afterwards, I can put it on a board and knead the dough. You need super strong muscles to knead the dough with your hands. Oh, it is all kneaded. Look how smooth that is. Do you see how smooth it is? It's not sticky anymore. It's all kneaded. We have to put it in a bowl, back in the bowl, and let it rest for a little bit. So this is where we have to be patient and wait for the dough to rest, and then the dough will grow, and then we can come back and make pretzels out of it. Hi, my friends. I let my dough rest, and as you can see, it grew. So after it rests, it grows. Next, what I need to do is I'm gonna cut the dough and roll it into pretzels. Now, we can roll and pull and stretch the dough into pretzels. Okay, so once I made the pretzels in pretzel shape, oops, I caught it. They look like bows almost. Then we have to give them a bath in this mixture I made. And in this little bath, there's baking soda and water, and I mixed it together. Then I'm gonna put my little friends in there and give them a bath, let them swim around. Swim, 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 so that they get all this good stuff on them. This will help them turn nice and brown. First, I made the dough. Next, I let it rest. Then, I rolled out the dough, put them into pretzel shapes, and had them swim in their little bath. And now, it's time to put them in the oven. Ta-da! Can you see them? They look pretty good. Okay, my friends, my pretzels are all done. They're out of the oven. They're pretty hot, so I'm going to wait a few minutes to enjoy. I can't wait to see what you make with your family. Maybe you can roll out some pretzel dough with some Play-Doh. I'm excited. Have a great day.